Hello everyone, I am I Made Dion Permana. So today's video we are going to learn about the equation of tangan on the circle. So the first thing we must know is the definition of tangan to the circle. So tangan to a circle are line that intersect the circle at exactly one point. The equation tangan to a circle can be formed if the value of the circle equation is known. There are three kinds of tangen to the circle. First, equation of tangen through a point on the circle. Number 2, gradient tangen line equation M. And the third one is the tangen equation through a point outside the circle. First, equation of tangen through a point on the circle. If the circle equation x squared plus y squared equal to r squared, the tangen equation is x times x sub 1 plus y times y sub 1 equal to r squared. If the circle equation x minus a squared plus y minus b squared equal to r squared, the tangen equation is x minus a times x sub 1 minus a plus y minus b times y sub 1 minus b equal to r squared. And the last one, if the circle equation x squared plus y squared plus ax plus by plus c equal to 0, the tangen equation is x times x sub 1 plus y times y sub 1 plus a half a times x plus 1 plus a half b times y plus y sub 1 plus c equal to 0. We know this formula only applies to the equation tangen through a point on a circle. If this formula is used for a point outside the circle, the equation for the line obtained is not a tangen but a polar line. For example, determine the equation of tangen in the circle x squared plus y squared equal to 8 at point A negative 2, 2. So first thing to do is to check the point A. So negative 2 squared plus 2 squared equal to 4 plus 4 equal to 8. So the point is in the circle. And then the equation of tangen in the circle is x sub 1 x plus y sub 1 y equal to r squared. So minus 2 times x plus 2 times y equals to 8. So negative 2x plus 2y equals to 8. So y equals to x plus 4. So the equation of tangen in the circle x squared plus y squared equal to 8 at point A negative 2, 2 is y equal to x plus 4. In the second, gradient tangen line equation M. This tangen equation formula is used to find tangen equation whose line is known, parallel or perpendicular to a line or other element related to the gradient. The formula used can be summarized as follows. If the circle equation x squared plus y squared equal to r squared, the tangen equation is y equal to ms plus minus r times square root 1 plus m squared. If the circle equation x minus a squared plus y minus b squared equals to r squared, the tangen equation is y min b squared. The tangen equation is y min b equal to m times x minus a plus minus square root 1 plus m squared. And the last one, if the circle equation x squared plus y squared plus ax plus by plus c equals to 0, the tangen equation, we must transform the equation to x min a squared plus y min b squared equal to r squared, and then use the formula y min b equals to m times x minus a plus minus square root 1 plus m squared. For example, determine the equation of tangen in circle x squared plus y squared equal to 10 that is parallel to the line A y plus 3x equal to 6. So line y plus 3x equal to 6, we must transform it to form y equals to minus 3x plus 6. The coefficient of x is a gradient, so m1 is negative 3. Gradient of tangen if two lines are parallel is the same, so m1 equals to m2 equals to negative 3. So the gradient is negative 3 and r equals to square root 10. The equation of tangen on the circle y equals to mx plus minus r times square root 1 plus m square. So y equals to negative 3x plus minus square root 10 times square root 1 plus negative 3 square. So y equals to negative 3x plus minus square root 10 times square root 10. So y equals to negative 3x plus minus 10. So the equation of tangen in a circle is y1 equals to negative 3x plus 10 and y2 equals to negative 3 minus 10. And the third one, tangen equation through a point outside the circle. Through the tip point outside the circle, it can be determined as only two tangen lines on the circle. The tangen allude to the circle at point A and point B. To determine the equation of tangen line by specifying a line gradient tangen first, and then determine the equation of non-gradient lines and through point D. For example, determine the equation of tangen on circle x squared plus y squared equal to 4 through point T 3, 2. First thing to do is check the point 3, 2. So x squared plus y squared, so x squared plus y squared equal to 4. So 3 squared plus 2 squared equal to 13. So it's more than r squared. So the point is outside the circle. The equation of tangen on the circle x squared plus y squared equal to r squared with gradient m is equal to mx plus minus r times square root 1 plus m squared. So the equation of line with gradient m through point 3, 2 is y minus 2 equals to m times x minus 3. So y equals to m times x minus 3 plus 2. So m times x minus 3 plus 2 equals to mx plus minus r times square root 1 plus m squared. So mx minus 3m plus 2 equals to mx plus minus 2 times square root 1 plus m squared. And then minus 3m plus 2 equals to plus minus 2 times square root 1 plus m squared. 9m squared minus 12m plus 4 equals to 4 times 1 plus m squared. So 5m squared minus 12m equal to 0. And then m times 5m minus 12 equals to 0. So m equals to 0 or m equals to 12 over 5. And then m to equation of line y equals to m times x min 3 plus 2. For m equal to 0, y equals to 0 times x minus 3 plus 2. So y equals 2. For m equals to 12 over 5, so y equals to 12 over 5 times x minus 3 plus 2. So 5y equals to 12x minus 26. So the equation is 12. So the equation is 12x minus 5y minus 26 equal to 0. So the equation of tangen are y equals 2 and 12x minus 5y minus 26 equal to 0. That's all the video about the equation of tangen in the circle. If you have a question, you can write your question in the comment below. Thank you for watching me, and goodbye.